Hello again and welcome. If you want to open a new document, all you just need to do is click on the open menu command, then the open dialog box or the open ribbon appears on the right side. On this side you see the list of recently used documents or recently opened documents so far, about 20 of them. All we have here is the documents we've worked on today. This is the documents we worked on yesterday, and this is the document we worked on this week, carrying both the date and the timestamp. Then the way it is structured, it is hierarchical. The first document goes down the list and the last document goes to the top of this list. For instance, this is the most recent document I opened, DOC1, Doc1, opened by this time. Now, if for instance I click on this file, I want to open this urine formation. I click on it, it opens the file. If I go back to the file menu again, click on open, you see the urine formation comes to the top list, telling you that this is the most recent file I opened, telling you the time and the date I opened this file. If I click on immunity, for instance, comes to the top of the list. Going back to the file menu and go to the open, you see the immunity comes to the top of the list, showing you the time and the date stamp. So if for any reason that the document you want to open is not under the recent document, you can click the browse command and the open dialog box appears. That is the old open dialog box. Now, users of Office 2003, Office 98 and so on, Office 2007, we are already used to this open dialog box. So now this open dialog box, when it appears, on this part you choose the location of the file you want to open. We have the desktop, the documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, depending on the location of the file. For instance, assuming I saved what I'm looking for in my documents, I click documents, then I navigate down and I want to open this file, College of Nursing Sciences. Click on it and click open. You see, it opens the file. So go to file, click on open, you see the list of files I've opened before. Okay, in summary, today we learned how to open a file, and on this side you see the list of most recent files we've opened. Then if you want to open a file that is not on this list, you click on the browse to bring out the open dialog box. Choose the location of the file you want to open, click on the file once again and click open. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.